Hey, are you afraid of pharmacy math? Be real with me. Are you afraid of it? Are you unsure? It's okay. Watch this video and I'm going to tell you exactly how to overcome it and even get good at it. Hey guys, this is Onisha Biggs of PharmacyTechLessons.com, and I'm going to talk to you today about pharmacy math and how to overcome your fear of it, how to get good at it, and what you need to do. Okay, so first things first, I want to tell you about a real case scenario because I always like to use experience and real case scenarios when it comes to explaining, especially pharmacy math, but anything that I bring to you guys. Okay, I don't like a lot of theory, I like application. All right, so I want to tell you about a student that we had. Her name was Danielle, okay? Now, Danielle was literally pretty bad at math, okay? Just to say the least. And I know Danielle doesn't mind. Hey, Danielle. I know she doesn't mind because Danielle actually got good at it, and we had to work through some things, and Danielle will tell you herself, she was terrible at math. I mean, it was almost to the point I was kind of worried about if we could help her at all, because I know to do pharmacy math, you need to at least know the basic algebra concepts. But we were able to work with Danielle, and we worked with her for 2 to 3 strong weeks just on pharmacy math. Before she came to us, she failed the exam, okay? But when she got to us, we worked with her on her weak areas, some specific things. We coached her, tutored her, and got her really getting used to working those hard word problems and pulling out certain things out of the word problems. We gave her some key concepts that she could use every single time she does a problem. And guess what? Danielle got good at pharmacy math in 2 to 3 weeks and went on to pass the PTCB exam. I mean, literally, the pharmacy math was the only thing holding her back from passing this exam, okay? So why do I tell you the case about Danielle? Well, first of all, Danielle wasn't the best at math, okay? You may be feeling the same way. I want you to know Danielle was not only not the best at math, she was probably like one of the worst, okay? I'm not gonna say she was the worst, but she was probably like one of the worst that you might see in a classroom or your average class. But she went on to teaching other people in our community pharmacy math, okay? She got so good at it. So this is the same thing that can happen for you. I want you to be inspired. But let me give you 2 key things that you need to do and be mindful of so that you can get the same results that Danielle got. The first thing that you need to do is this. You need to study a lot, yes, and I see a lot of students, they do a lot of studying, but you also need to practice even more. When it comes to pharmacy math, you should be practicing a lot. While it's good to study definitions, some of you out there, even though we don't condone formulas, and I'll talk about that in a minute, but some of you out there, you want to memorize every single formula. But at the end of the day, you need to get practice, okay? Practice math problems, and I'm telling you, that's going to make all the difference in your performance on the PTCB exam concerning math. You got to get your reps in with those practice problems, okay? Lastly, get with someone that can show you the shortcuts while learning information for the PTCB exam, while studying pharmacy math. You need to get with someone that can really show you through the shortcuts and not take you all these long roundabout ways to working pharmacy math problems, okay? Each person, each instructor, I'm sure different schools out there, they're going to teach different methods for learning pharmacy math. For instance, one of the methods that we stand by wholeheartedly at Pharmacy Tech Lessons, this is my team of instructors and myself, we all stand by learning concepts and not formulas. We do not teach our students formulas at all. Like Danielle didn't learn one formula, period, okay? And she began to master pharmacy math. So whoever you go to, whoever you're getting tutored by, they're gonna have their own methods, okay? And by all means, if it's helping you pass the exam, stand by it and do it. But at least get with someone that can show you the way to passing and learning the pharmacy math, okay? Please don't do it on your own. I see so many students, they struggle. Before they come to us, they struggle so hard because they tried to do it on their own and they're like, oh my God, I failed. Okay, granted, there are those students that do it on their own, not to negate that. But for you, I know that you're super serious about passing this exam on the first attempt. And if this is your second attempt, then definitely don't do it by yourself. All right, guys, so as you know, my team and I, we have trained thousands of students and aspiring pharmacy professionals nationwide. And even now we have some students that are international. Yay. So we're super excited to help you out with passing this exam. If you need help, if you do need help, then click the link in the description and take our free masterclass. It'll only take about an hour or two of your time, but you're gonna get so much information and it's gonna put you on the right track to passing the PTCB exam on your first attempt. We have a 95% passing rate. It's tried, true, and proven. Click the link in the bio, go take the masterclass, and I guarantee you, you're gonna get a ton of value. So this has been Onisha Biggs of PharmacyTechLessons.com. You have a wonderful day.